So we're going to go over types of letters, but you'll be working on that you'll want to focus on is your business letter. So there's two types of business letters. One is a personal business letter, in which a personal business letter goes to an individual, to a person or a business organization, and then a business letter goes to a business or organization, to another or to an individual. So major parts of a letter are the letterhead, which is usually a form with the company's name and address on it. A return address is the address of the person writing the letter. Your date line or your date is the complete and current date. Letter and address or inside address is the person who's going to receive the letter. Salutation or greeting is who the letter is going to. So example is dear Mr. or Sir or Madam. The body is the message of the letter. Complimentary close or closing is the end of the letter, which usually starts with sincerely yours. And then the author's name, which will be your name. And then in between the complimentary close and the key name is a handwritten signature, which is where you sign the letter. And then the typist initial is the person who typed the letter. So major parts of the letter at the top is usually the letterhead. So these are examples of different types of letterheads and what they look like. You have the return address, is the address of the person writing the letter. You have the date, which is the complete date. Normally you spell out, here they have 12/8/2008, so you would spell out December 8, 2008. And then you have the letter or the letter address or the inside address, which is the address of the person receiving the letter. Then you have the salutation. Then you have the body of the letter, which is the message of the letter. And then you have your complimentary close again, where it says sincerely yours. There's the handwritten signature between sincerely and your typed name. And then your name is typed here, the author of the person who's sending the letter. And then the initials is the person who typed the letter. So in mail merge, we're talking a little bit about mail merge, which is a useful tool that allows you to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, and so on, where you can create a database or a spreadsheet of addresses and information. Mail merge is really good if you have to send the same letter to different people. So you don't want to have to type 20 to 30 of the same letter. You can type one letter and then merge all the addresses together to get your 20 or 30 letters that you need. So components of a mail merge is your form document. It's usually the document that contains the main body of the message, what you're going to send. And then the data file is the addresses and names of those who you're sending the letter to. So when you perform a mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can start with an existing one or create a new one. And then your recipient list, which is usually your Excel workbook. So to use a mail merge, you'll open up a Word document or create a new one. From the Mailings tab, you'll click Start, Mail Merge, and then you'll select the step-by-step mail merge wizard from the drop-down menu. And the wizard will help you go through all the different steps on how to mail merge your Excel file and your letter together to create 20 letters to 20 different people. So the mail merge pane appears and will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete the merge. And then the example showed you how to create a form letter and merge the letter with the recipient list. And then there's also a step-by-step handout that you can use that is under your presentation.